Dear students, welcome back to Bishop Academy online classes. Today we have to get discussed over knockout tournament. In the very first chapter, planning in sports. Knockout tournament is a tournament in which teams are made to compete with each other unless a single winner is decided. Means to say, all those teams which get a defeat in matches eliminated from the tournament. Advantage of the tournament is it is time saving, it needs fewer officials, it is cheap to organize, and even it is raising standard because all of the players tried their best to win the matches, because each match is a question of do or die. Next disadvantage, that it is lack of opportunities, as each team get only one chance to show its best performance. Okay? And second, it is have loss interest and frustration among players. Now, you have to know the fixture procedure for knockout tournament, which always asks in board examinations. First of all, it becomes essential for you to know what the fixtures are. So, fixture is a process of arranging the teams in systematic order in various groups for competitive games, which is for physical activities. Okay? Procedure of the knockout tournament fixture, it becomes essential for you to consider various things so that you could draw a good fixture. Among them, the very first thing is you have to consider over the number of team. It is the most important thing from where you start all your calculation and processes. Second, consider number of rounds by comparing it with 2 to the power n. Okay? As 2 to the power n, when we put the value of n, it is a natural number. Okay? This small n represent a natural number. This capital N represent the number of teams. I think both the terms become clear to you. Okay? Now, we calculate by. If the number of team is not in the form of 2 to the power n, that is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 or 64. If the number of teams are in these numbers, means to say in 2 to the power n, if the number of team n is in form of 2 to the power n, then it is no need to calculate by, and if it is not in standard form, then become essential to calculate by. So, how much by you have to provide to the teams? It depend over what number of teams once again. Okay? So, for calculation by, it becomes essential for you to trace out the value of nearest higher 2 to the power n. Okay? And after that, you have to subtract number of team from that. Suppose if the number of team is 7. Okay? So, standard number 2 to the power n is 8. So, we have to just subtract 7 from the higher standard, that is 8. When we subtract 7 from 8, we find 1, that is the 1 by. Okay? These things could also be get cleared while drawing the fixture for various teams. Okay? Now, after deciding the by, it becomes essential for us to divide the teams into two parts, upper half and lower half. Okay? Upper half, when the number of teams are in even number, then we just divide both these groups equally, and if the number is odd, then for dividing the teams in two parts, first of all for upper part we have to apply the formula n plus 1 upon 2, okay, and for lower half n minus 1 upon 2. Okay. With this formula we divide the teams into two parts. If the number of team quite high, then we use these quarters also. Okay. If the number of team is 32, then there are 4 quarters of 8 teams in each quarter, and if the number of team is 38, then we have 4 quarters. In first quarter there are 10 teams, in second quarter there are 9 teams, in third quarter there is 10 teams, and in fourth quarter there is 9 teams. Rest things would be arranged as per the next slide. So, after dividing the team, in most of the cases up to this limit you get only what you call question up to 32 teams, and that could be tackled with just 2 parts. Okay. After dividing the teams in 2 parts, it becomes essential for you to distribute buys. Okay. Buys are short privilege given to a team. The team which get buy could not play, okay, have not to play in a particular round. Okay. So, first buy should be given to the team at bottom. When we divide the team and arrange the team in systematic order in a vertical sequence, so the team that has been placed at the bottom, we provided the first buy, okay, and second buy should be given to the team at the top. The team that has been at the top get second buy. Third buy should be given to the team at the top of the lower half. The lower half which we decided, the team which is top of this lower half, we provided them third buy, and fourth buy should be given to the whom had been given here. Fourth buy should be given to the team at bottom of upper half. Okay. And in the same way we have to just repeat this procedure again and again. Okay. So that our distribution of pi should get completed. Now, the question raised that you have to draw a knockout fixture for 19 teams. See it very clearly. So, here you find number of teams is equal 19. Okay. When we compare it with the value of 2 to the power n, then the higher 2 to the power n is equal 2 to the power 5, which means 32. Okay. 2 to the power 4 is 16, which is less than this number of team 19. Okay. So, number of buys is equal 32 minus 19. Is that clear to you? Now, we have to arrange the teams in systematic order. A, team B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 R and S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. So as for the formula that has been given here, we have to just divide it into two parts. Upper part n plus 1 upon 2, that is 19 plus 1 upon 2 is equal 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We have to just divide it into two parts. Is that clear to you? And after that we start to calculate second part, which is 9. Calculate it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we start to distribute byes. First bye to the team at the bottom, second bye to the team at the top, third bye to the team at the top of the lower half, that is by 3, and fourth by lower team of the upper half. Okay, and once again we repeat this procedure. Fifth by sixth by seventh by eighth by once again repeat the procedure, ninth by 10th by 11th by 12th by, once again repeat the procedure, 13th by. So here we find that we have to distribute 13 byes which has been distributed. Rest of the team have to play match of the first round. 2 matches, 3 matches. So here you find that those teams get bye didn't play in initial round, that is first round. In first round here only 1, 2 and 3 matches played. Rest all teams gone to second round. In second round this team has to play with this team, this to play with this team, this to play with this team, this team have to play with this team, and one winner trace out from each of these matches of second round, and third round begin. In third round this team have to play together, and winner taken out from third round also. It is fourth round, and the player of fourth round which qualified participated in fifth round, where we get our winner. So this is the fixture for 19 team under knockout tournament fixture. Now you have to know the second case in which we have to draw the fixture for 19 teams having 2 seeds. Now you have to know what the seeds are. Seeds are special provisions made for best teams, or you can say the best performing teams of the previous tournament. Such type of arrangement has been done so that the most experienced and prestigious teams could not waste their energy and prestige in the initial round of tournaments. So, for that there is a special arrangement which come to be known as seeds. The team which get seed didn't play in initial round. Here always question raised that what is difference between seeds and buys. So, buy always given for one round. On the other hand, we find that seeds are a special provision that has been granted to a team not to play in initial rounds. Is that clear to you? Buy is for one round, seeds may be of various rounds. Second important thing, that is buy could be given to any of the teams, but seeds could only be given to the teams which are best performer of previous tournament. Is that clear to you? So, now look here for the fixture of 19 team having 2 seeds. Here you find number of teams is equal 19 and seeds is equal to. So, for tracing out the fixture, it becomes essential for us to trace out the teams after eliminating seeds is equal 19 minus 2, what it become? 17. Okay. So, we have to frame a fixture for this 17 teams only. Okay. So, now the number of teams is equal 17. So, this 70 is not in standard form, that is in 2 to the power n. Okay. Is that clear to you? So, number of बाई आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं और you may divide it into 2 parts. We can divide teams in 2 groups. In first group, there are how much teams? 9 teams, and in second group there are 8 teams. You may change it if you like. You could place 8 teams here, 9 teams here. Okay, and after that you have to forget entire these things. You have to draw a knockout fixture for 9 teams and 8 teams, while remembering what the number of teams, that is 19. Okay, so you have to arrange the teams in systematic way, that is team A, B, C, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R and S. You arrange 19 teams, you have been just taken out these 2 teams. Okay, rest of the team in the first group there are 9 teams, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just divide it. Okay, and there are 8 teams. So for 9 teams, how much buys deserved? That is, for 9, 16 minus 9 is equal 7. So 7 buys should be given here, and for once again we have to follow the same procedure. Number of teams is 9, that's why in upper half 5 teams, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 teams should be placed, and in lower half how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 teams should be kept. Is that clear to you? Start to distribute by. First by, second by, third by, fourth by, fifth by, sixth by, seventh by. So here in first round only one match played. Okay, and here you find usual as it is in standard form. इसमें फर्स्ट राउंड में क्या होगा? सेम मैचेस. Okay, after that second round, it is second round. After that third round, and then we introduced the seeded team. First top seed and second seed, the seed which has been given before. Okay, the group which we divided, we have to lay it up to the final. This is the final of 8 teams and this is the final of 9 teams. Is that clear to you? And then we introduce what? Top performer team and second best performer team, and then there would be a what? Final match between these 2 teams, and winner get decided. So most of the students get confused with these things when they compare the seeding fixture with knockout fixture. Is that clear to you? So here you find that here is seed also and buy also. Buy is a different case which could be applied in normal condition, and for seeding it is a special case. So this type of tournament could also be kept under special quality of or categories of tournaments. Okay. So dear students, I hope you could be capable of drawing knockout fixture for various teams. You have to just once again practice with different number of teams in drawing knockout fixture. Okay, even you have to draw the fixture having seeds. Thank you.